Yeah. Ooh. I live my life in a fantasy. I'd give my life for my family. To everybody that's telling me I'll never make it, winning is part of my anatomy. Don't try to battle me. Every time you hating on me, you flatter me. Damn it, you had to be the center of my attention, the vanity. It's my reality. Why do you lie to yourself? Why don't you take pride in yourself? Why don't you confide in yourself? Cause I don't like dealing with anything. I don't feel anything, and I take pride in this. All that I know. Everybody's looking for a handout, sitting with their hands out, living at their dad's house. Everybody's getting mad, getting sad now. Going to the classroom, then they pull the Mac out. Going to their mind, it's a madhouse. If you want it for the life, you don't back out. Everybody dies that they laugh now. Who's gonna laugh at the kid in the back now? 2019, this is my year. See a dead body in the booth, that means I'm here. There ain't another rapper like that I fear. Looking around at these clowns like a mic clear. Somebody bring me a mic here. I like to sing about nightmares, cause ain't nobody messing with me. I know that I'm definitely better than anybody who finds here. I know I'm deep in the underground. People, they think and they wonder how the fuck that I'm getting this sudden clout. I sold my soul for this fucking house. I put my heart into everything that I write, into every lyric you hear me recite, into every lyric you hear in my life. You're feeling this right.
I know I'll achieve my goals, I'm just saying now. There ain't nobody that can take it, that just ain't allowed. I'm looking up, I'm seeing Davey, I'ma make you proud. I guarantee that I'll be famous, I'ma make it loud. I know I'll achieve my goals, I'm just saying now. There ain't nobody that can take it, that just ain't allowed. I'm looking up, I'm seeing Davey, I'ma make you proud. I guarantee that I'll be famous, I'ma make it loud.
I feel invisible when I'm inside of my school, I'm invisible. I don't like talking with people, it's typical. I've been dealing with all this shit since middle school. I feel like all of my issues are minuscule. I'm doing this for every kid that's ridiculed, whether you be mentally or physical. Never accept all the shit that they're giving you. Fight back. Woo. Let me just take a breath. Damn, I need some water real quick. My throat's raw.
Let's get back to this shit.
I know you deal with depression. I know that you felt it when I heard confession. I know that you felt it when I learned my lesson. I know that you dealt with the shit that I mentioned. I'm talking with fans, I can tell they offended. I know what you're dealing with, I read my messages. You're suicidal, you deal with depression. And I dedicated my life just a lesson. I killed the beat, I'ma leave this as evidence. Put me in prison, I'm glad I'm arrested. This isn't the point and this isn't the precedent. I know that you're at the edge of the precipice. You're thinking of death and the feeling is desperate. You think if you want it, then you can just rest. And I'm telling you now, if you do, you're pathetic. I'm telling you now, if you do, regret it like
Yeah, I know what you're dealing with. I understand if you're feeling it. You'll never escape what you're dealing with. You feel like you're breaking a million. Listen to me now if you're feeling this. I swear to God, I'll be real with it. The only way you can escape is if you face it and deal with it.